What's poppin', everybody? Today I'm back, and as you guys can see from the title of today's video, you guys have literally been requesting this since I was like 12 years old. And for the longest time I haven't done it because one, I was underage, I was, you know, a little minor. Two, because I really don't smoke. Contrary to popular belief, like it's not really like a thing I go out of my way for. Sorry, there's like a little thing in my hair and I know you guys are gonna point it out, but I have to get it before you guys notice. I really didn't like smoking for a while. For some time I did, but then it just gave me a bunch of anxiety and I felt like I was about to be killed, so I thought it was time to stop. But I'm ready to see if it goes well today. I am now 21 years old, so it is legal. Let's do a little dispensary haul. This is what we have. I feel like they could tell when I walked in that I don't really go to dispensaries often. Damn, I felt like such a cop when I walked in there. One, because the dispensary that I went to, they have like little stairs and they have a ramp and then a metal detector. I walked straight down the stairs and the guy was like, oh, you gotta go through the metal detector. I'm like, I don't have any weapons except this bomb ass pussy. And I didn't know dispensaries had so much shit in there. I feel like I was in the grocery store of marijuana and I was just looking around, you know, pretending I had some business there. So that's my story time of me at the dispensary. My one piece of weed. They also give me a little tweaker, a lighter. I have not seen anyone use these that was not 100% addicted to crack.
She can't get married. Only bitch I give a conversation to a Siri. My parents are married. Yes, I want it clearly. I'm the chosen one, see my potential, so they fear me.
Okay, so I swear my nose is never runny except for when I'm about to do my makeup. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take my headband off. Don't mind my little extension piece coming out. I don't think you guys can see it from your angle, thank the Lord. Yeah, one thing we're not gonna talk about is either the top of my extensions or how my hair looks from the back, because those are two topics that are just off limit. All right, so my makeup is already out. Let's go ahead and start with primer. I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I've used this for the longest time. I swear you guys, I really don't buy new makeup products. I kind of just have the same 5 products that, like, okay, have 5 products for one item. Does that make sense? I kind of have like the same 5 products. I kind of have like 5 different options for each product that I kind of just switch around every time one of them empties. So right now, this is the primer that I'm stuck on. And let's go ahead and get foundation. I don't want this to be like a whole tutorial because I feel like it's not really gonna be a good tutorial. So I asked you guys on Instagram, I asked you guys to ask me some would you rather questions, and you guys are so funny because every time I do the little questions thing on Instagram, for example, if I say like ask me a question, that's what the questions thing means, 50% of you guys will be like really deep, like what is one thing you regret most in your life, and other people will be like ass or titties. So pretty much what I'm saying is like these would you rather questions are either gonna be like one, like suck dick or let your mama die, and the other one would be if your house was burning down, which parent would you save and why? Is that would you rather? I feel like that's not would you rather. Be 10 years older or 10 years younger? Okay, that's a pretty good question. I'm 21, so I could either be 21 versus 31, and so I could either be 11 versus 31. I feel like I would definitely choose 11. Well, see, tough question, because would I just have like the mindset of an 11-year-old, or would I take like would I know that I chose to be 11 when I was 21? Do you guys get what I'm saying? Would I know everything that I know now as my 11-year-old? No, I wouldn't, because then I couldn't really enjoy being 11. Now, I would definitely be 11 because who the fuck, I do not want to be 30. No offense to anybody who is 30. It's a beautiful age. I love you guys. But that's like real adult, you know? So I think I would rather be 11 going to my scholastic book meetings rather than worrying about like a mortgage and family. See, someone asked like that question, and then someone else, the next question, I kid you not, is I think I would have to go with fuck Donald Trump. I don't want to see my mother getting fingered. If you guys choose that, the FBI is at your door. So now that we've blended it out, I feel like my forehead looks so pale because my forehead is like 20 shades darker than the rest of my skin. But we're gonna go ahead and conceal, and we're gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. So and then I have the same one in a lighter shade that I use to carve out my brow bone. And I know makeup is very different now and people don't like do the bright brow bone, but I swear I will take over highlighting a brow bone to my grave. For powder, I really also love a bright under eye, so we're using the Fenty Beauty. This is in the shade Butter. Okay, blend the other side. I don't know, should I try to do an eyeshadow look today? I feel like right now I'm feeling it, but once I actually start it, I'm gonna regret it. I have a confession. I love it when you're wearing mascara like all day and like nothing else, or actually I guess you could be wearing other things with it, but at the end of the day when they get like all crusty and you get to pick off the little crust and flakes. And there's this account on TikTok, if you guys ever get the little like eye gooeys, like the strings of mascara or like eye product that got in there, and then they put a Q-tip and they just pull it out. Oh my god, I love those videos. I guess those kind of fall into a similar category of the pimple popping videos. They're just so interesting to watch. You know what genre of music I wish I could just live in? It's like the white girl bops. You guys will know which ones I'm talking about. I have a little like low-key playlist. But this. My little, what was I, like 8 years old? I had no business singing this song. But then my mom really didn't let me get carried away because when she's like, it was my birthday, my stupid birthday, stupid was a bad word. I was not allowed to say that. I was censored. So yeah, you know, my mom kept me humble by not letting me say the full lyric to whoever I was simping over at age 7. Wait, what the fuck? Does she not say stupid birthday? Oh, since when did she say fucking birthday? Did I just... Okay, I don't know if I'm the only one, maybe because like stupid was a bad word in my house and I was not allowed to say it, but am I the only one that feel like I'm experiencing like Mandela effect? Whatever that is. It was her fucking birthday, not my stupid birthday or my birthday in my house. It was my fucking birthday. For my eyeshadow, I'm actually going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette, and I'm going to start off by, god, I really forgot how pigmented these eyeshadows were. I'm gonna start by doing a, you guessed it, brown smoky eye. You know, I like to keep things different. I like to spice up everything, you know, all the time. So we're doing brown smoky eye. Everybody please stand for the national anthem. Look,
stud. I heard they like it when I talk that shit. Like my nigga 10 said, you better walk that shit. It's no fun when you beefing with a soft ass bitch. Man, stop holding on the blunt and gonna spark that. Shot that proudly, rolling with your baby. Tell said he gonna invest cause he want me on the TV. I must be that bitch cause all these bitches wanna be me. And I must be that bitch cause all these niggas wanna eat me.
I love that I came through the mill. They said I miss you. I ripped it up and flexed with the tissue. Try to forget you. I ain't got nothing against you. We young and we all the issues. But I'm tired of being tired. That part of me that died. I see it then I don't act like I'm fine. I'm confident it won't be one of mine. I know emotions from the line, so I tell the truth all the time. We got no secret from no bitch. I ain't get it, they don't rich, they don't need it. Jumping up on stages, I get 200 a day.
Okay, so I guess I just forgot that I was supposed to talk in a tutorial. So right now I'm doing my lipstick. My favorite lip combo is my NYX brown lip liner, and then I use MAC's Love You Back, and then I put a little bit of concealer over it just to make it like the perfect nude for me. And I put the concealer like in the center of the top and the bottom just so that the outsides remain dark. And then I'm using my MAC lip gloss in Oyster Girl, and this one's like a really pretty pink. So yeah, then I'm trying to do my little headband. I'm pretty sure I fucked it up, but that's about it. Okay, so I kind of feel like adding blush. And now time to highlight, and then we're done. I hate how this light is making me look so washed out and pale, but I don't know how to fix it. All right, y'all, we did it. So that was pretty much it for today's little get ready with me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, go ahead and let me know. If you guys have any other video requests, also let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.